Do you know the health benefits of the ingredients you use in your smoothie? Today, we're taking a deep dive into the nutritious components of a beet, ginger, blackberry, and carrot smoothie. Let's begin with beets. These vibrant root vegetables are more than just a pretty color. Beets are packed with essential nutrients and are a great source of fiber, folate, and vitamin C. They also contain nitrates and pigments that can help lower blood pressure and improve athletic performance. Moving on to ginger, this spicy root has a long history of use in traditional and alternative medicine. It's known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects and can help with digestion, reduce nausea, and fight off cold and flu symptoms. Next up, we have blackberries. These small but mighty fruits are bursting with health benefits. They're incredibly high in vitamin C and fiber. Not only can they help to support your immune system, but they're also great for skin health and digestion. Plus, blackberries are packed with antioxidants, which can help protect your cells against harmful free radicals. And finally, we have carrots. This crunchy, tasty, and highly nutritious vegetable is a particularly good source of beta-carotene, fiber, vitamin K, potassium, and antioxidants. The beta-carotene in carrots is converted into vitamin A in your body, which is essential for good vision. To blend these ingredients together, we'll need some liquid. You can use water, coconut water, or a plant-based milk like almond or oat milk. Start with about 1/2 to 1 cup of liquid, depending on how thick you like your smoothie. You're always free to adjust to your liking. Remember, every ingredient in this smoothie is chosen not just for its flavor, but for its health benefits. So the next time you're blending up this vibrant concoction, you'll know exactly how it's nourishing your body. Now that we're familiar with the ingredients and their benefits, it's time to get blending. The magic begins when we combine these health-packed ingredients. Let's get started. First, we'll tackle the beet. A medium-sized one will do. After washing it thoroughly, peel its skin off using a vegetable peeler. Once peeled, chop it into small, manageable pieces. Moving on to the carrot, choose a large one for this recipe. The process is similar to the beet wash, peel, and chop. Remember, the smaller you chop your ingredients, the easier they blend, creating a smoother consistency in your final product. Next up is ginger, the zesty addition to our smoothie. For this, we need a thumb-sized piece. Peel it carefully, ensuring to remove any gnarly bits, and grate it finely. The grating part is crucial, as it releases all the ginger's flavor and allows it to blend seamlessly with the other ingredients. Let's not forget the blackberries. A handful is perfect. Rinse them well under running water to remove any potential impurities. Now we have all our ingredients prepped and ready to go. It's time to introduce the blender. Add your chopped beet, carrot, the grated ginger, and the washed blackberries into the blender. But wait, we're missing one thing, the liquid. This could be water, coconut water, or a plant-based milk such as almond or oat milk. It's really up to your preference. Start with about 1/2 to 1 cup of your chosen liquid. This is important because the amount of liquid you add at this stage will determine the thickness of your smoothie. If you prefer a thicker smoothie, start with less liquid. You can always add more later if needed. Once everything's in, blend until smooth. If the mixture looks too thick for your liking, feel free to add a bit more liquid until you reach your desired consistency. So far, so good, but we're not done yet. Let's move to the next step. Now it's time to blend and taste. The next step on our journey to the perfect smoothie is to blend our chosen ingredients: the beet, ginger, blackberry, and carrot. This is where the magic happens. The blender is our wand, transforming these raw ingredients into a smooth and creamy concoction. Start by adding all the ingredients into the blender. The beet, the ginger, the blackberries, and the carrot, they all go in. Pour in your chosen liquid, be it water, coconut water, or a plant-based milk like almond or oat milk. The amount of liquid you add at this stage will determine the thickness of your smoothie. If you like your smoothie thick and creamy, start with about 1/2 cup of liquid. If you prefer a more fluid consistency, add up to 1 cup. Now turn on the blender. As it whirs and spins, the blender breaks down the ingredients, releasing their flavors and nutrients. The result? A smooth and creamy smoothie. But we're not done yet. If the mixture is too thick for your liking, don't worry. You can add more liquid until you reach your desired consistency. This is the beauty of making your own smoothie. You're in control. Once you're happy with the consistency, it's time for the most important step, the taste test. Take a sip of your creation. Does it need a little more zing? Add a squeeze of lemon juice? Is it not sweet enough? A drizzle of honey or maple syrup will do the trick. Remember, this is your smoothie, and it should taste exactly the way you want it to. Blending and tasting your smoothie is an art, not a science. It's about finding the balance of flavors that you love and adjusting until you get it just right. And there you have it, a perfectly blended smoothie. But wait, there's more. Pour yourself a glass of this nutrient-rich smoothie, and let's dive into its overall health benefits. Each ingredient in this vibrant concoction brings a wealth of health benefits to the table. Let's start with the beetroot. This vibrant root vegetable is a great source of fiber, helping to support a healthy digestive system. It also contains nitrates, which can help lower blood pressure. Now that's a win-win. Moving on to the ginger, this spicy root is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It can help soothe an upset stomach, reduce muscle pain, and even ward off the common cold. Plus, it gives the smoothie a warming kick that will awaken your senses. Next up, we have blackberries. These juicy berries are packed with vitamin C, which is essential for a strong immune system and radiant skin. They also contain a hefty dose of fiber, which, like the beetroot, aids in digestion. And let's not forget about their high antioxidant content, which can help protect your body against harmful free radicals. Last, but certainly not least, we have the humble carrot. This crunchy veggie is a powerhouse of vitamin A, which is crucial for good vision and a healthy immune system. It also provides a nice dose of fiber and potassium. Combine all these ingredients together, and what do you get? A smoothie that is not only delicious, but also brimming with nutrients. From vitamins A and C to fiber and antioxidants, this smoothie has it all. It's the perfect way to start your day, giving you a burst of energy and all the nutrients your body needs to function at its best. Or, if you've just had a workout, this smoothie makes for a fantastic post-exercise refuel. It will replenish your energy stores and provide your body with the nutrients it needs to repair and recover. So, not only is this smoothie delicious, it's a powerhouse of nutrients. What a great and tasty way to take care of your health.